everyone, something a little bit different from me today. I'm going to show you how to pipe these Buttercream Hydrangea Cupcakes. Okay, so to begin with, I just laid out some cling film, and then I got my blue buttercream, and I just used a spatula just to spread it all out onto the cling film. I've never done this before, it's the first time. I found it quite good to try and get out some of the air bubbles in the buttercream, but also at the end of it, it was great because your piping bag is so much cleaner. Okay, so now I'm adding the white buttercream in the middle. This will give a nice two-tone effect to the petals of your hydrangea. Okay, so once I've done all that, I then just wrap up the cling film, secure one end, and then just get some scissors and cut the end. There we go. Okay, so to pipe my buttercream hydrangeas, I use a Wilton 2D piping tip. Quite a large tip. It's one of my favourite ones actually. So we add the tip to the icing bag, and then we put the buttercream inside, still wrapped in the cling film. So you want to make sure that the open end is facing the tip. So what I usually do now is pipe little hydrangeas onto a plate until I can see the two colours coming through. This is also a great chance to practice before you pipe onto the cake. So I'm going to show you how to do this firstly in slow motion. So I start on the outer edge of the cupcake and I apply pressure to the bag so the buttercream starts to come out. Keep applying pressure until the flower is the size that I want it to be. And then I twist the bag slightly as I release pressure and pull away. And this gives that little movement in the hydrangea to make it look like a petal. So you just keep going all the way around the edge and then into the middle, and that's the first layer done. Now what I like to do is go around again, as you can see here. This fills in any gaps, but also just gives a fuller hydrangea bloom, which you tend to get in actual hydrangeas. And there you can see the second layer done. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that one more time, sped up. To pipe the leaves, I used a Wilton 352 piping tip. That's the top view of it. Now what you want to be sure of when you pipe your leaves is that you have it so the pointed end is towards you. You don't want to have the V part facing you, you want the pointed end. And I'll show you in slow motion here. See, there's the pointed end. So I'm applying pressure and my leaf is starting to form, and when it's the size I want it to be, I just gently release pressure as I pull back, and that gives you that kind of pointed leaf look. So I'm just going around cupcake and filling in any little gaps or holes that I can see from the buttercream. And there you go, that's pretty much it. That's your hydrangea buttercream cupcake decorated. More information about these cupcakes and the items that I use can be found in my blog post, which I will leave a link to in the description. Okay then, so I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.